Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a video just because it's 3 a.m. We just had a snowstorm. It was, I guess, Sunday. No, yeah, the 30th, yeah. And I'm watching Being Human, the second season. Great show. There's really nothing on TV this late at night. Because earlier I was watching Pitbulls and Parolees, what was it, like Untold ER stories or something, like weird shit like that. So yeah, and well, it wasn't called Studio 54, it's called 54. Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna talk too long because I kind of got a cold around Christmas, so um, yeah, it's not that great. Like right now, I have like this tickle in my throat and everything, and I've been taking cough drops. Get it out of my pocket. See? I don't know, but yeah. So I hope you guys are having an awesome week. If I don't make a video before New Year's, Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope 2013 is amazing for you all. Um, yeah. And thanks to all that have subscribed to my channel. That's really cool of you. Um, I'm trying to work out ideas of what I want to do next on this channel. But if you have any ideas, please comment or inbox me. It's fun dandy. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye guys. Love you.